Before our final example of the day, what we're going to do is try to make a procedure for setting up double integrals that we want to follow so that we don't actually have to keep physically chopping up something. So here's what we did before. Here's what we will do again on our last example. So we draw the solid. We don't always have to make a Play-Doh model, but we have to be able to draw it reasonably so I can actually see where the actual location of the roof is. We draw the smoosh down region. In the last example, that was actually a little disc, and we're going to use that a lot. Decide which way to chop. We need to actually be able to draw the bird's eye view of the chop. And so what we're going to do is draw lines in the direction of the chop. For a generic chop, we want to label the points where the lines enter the region and where the lines leave the region. In the last example, that was y equals minus square root of 25 minus x squared, and y equals square root of 25 minus x squared. And then we want to start setting up the double integral. The integrand is always going to be the equation of the roof. In order to find the inner limits of integration, the ones right here, you're going to have to use those labeled points. Those are going to be very, very important. That's exactly going to give us those values. To find the outer limits of integration, we need to actually know, as we are chopping from left to right or from south to north, how far down did we go and how far up would we go? Or if we were chopping from left to right, how far left we went and how far right we went. Now, we're going to be working out a lot of examples for you to watch, but this is the procedure we're going to be using, and I wanted to make sure we actually put it down first, and then we'll follow it.